Editing the geometry of features. We previously looked at editing attributes. We did that by using the select tool, attributes up here. We could also go into the table, the attribute table directly and edit individual points or features. But now we're going to edit the geometry, and we're going to edit the geometry of the road. We have a straight line feature here, and then over here we have our Bezier curve. But to modify the actual geometry, we want to click on Modify. Click on Modify up there. We can see there are lots of tools available to us, but we're going to look at editing the vertices. You can test. Lots of these are basically self-instructive, moving features. Click on it and move it around. Rotating, rescaling. All of these things are fairly self-explanatory. But what we're going to do here is edit vertices, just to get a feeling for this. Click on Edit Vertices, mark the feature that we want to edit. So it's selected, you can see it's got sort of blue outline, and then let's make snapping a little less keen. We'll mark that feature there. We want to move that, let's say we want to move that in somewhere, so we just mark it and drag it in to there. And if we thought that that maybe, that node there could be sort of changed a little bit to there. Yeah, okay, so now we've edited that. We'll say that, let's just move that up a little bit. And then we click down here, finish, done, and then save. Okay, so that allowed us to edit the features, just simply moving them around. But how about if we want to then edit vertices? What happens if we want to, say, add an extra one? We're not happy with this curve here. We think there should be a point there. If we right-click on that line, we can add a vertex at that point where we've right-clicked. So there's a new vertex there. And then we could then, if we want, move that around a little bit to improve the curve on that road. Save. So that's relatively straightforward. Similarly, we can modify the vertices, edit, and if we want to remove, we can right-click on it, delete vertex, and it's gone. We could discard that change if we're not happy with it. Okay, that's editing the vertices in the line. You can do similar things with other features. Clear that, so that's our line edited there.